This is the S&P 500 SPDR ETF SPY one-day reading for March 17th, 2025. It's currently March 9th, 2025, 7:01 p.m. Eastern Time. SPY at the time of this reading, $575.92 USD. The shuffle video for the March 17th reading was created on February 21st, 2025 at 8:15 p.m. Eastern Time. So what we're going to go over in this video is the overall trend direction and chart behavior for the day. We're going to give you timing and chart behavior around the highest high for the day, the lowest low for the day, and we'll give you the hour-by-hour sequence of chart events, followed by whatever trades we see that look like they're solid trades throughout the day. At the end of this video, we'll show you how to get access to the early access subscription, which gives you access to the Discord and the live trading view chart links. But it's important to understand we're predicting the sequence of chart events as outlined by the prediction. The timing, in some cases, it's usually on point, but in some cases, you're going to need to give it plus or minus an hour or two of wiggle room. It's a sequence of chart events to pay attention to closest. And this is why I do not advise trading this information without access to our Discord. Without access to our Discord, this should be for entertainment purposes only and seen as a guide of what we expect to happen. It's in real time with those Discord trade alerts that we're doing the day trades, the best day trades that we see, and guiding people on when to enter and exit using the Discord, the trading view chart link. So again, I'll show you how to get that after the trades at the end of this video. Stay tuned for that. So the overall trend and theme for the day, we have a notable move to the upside, likely out of an important trough. Notable move to the upside, reaching for distant resistance. Behavior around the highest side, we have erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level. In the midst of that erratic behavior, we most likely revisit a crest that was recently a past opportunity. Behavior around the lowest low, we have a breakout out of the low. A notable move to the upside with a breakout out of the low, and then we are advised to trade around a rally into key resistance that ends with that we break down from with consecutively lower spikes up on the way down. It actually looks like that trade, we wanted to make that trade here, probably at the end of the day. So likely we open higher here. With a high in the pre-market, and then erratic behavior back and forth through the same price level, taking us eventually declining into the open, where we have a notable move to the upside that turns into volatility in that first half hour. There's likely a big move into a trough, and then a big move out of it there around the opener in the first half hour. Out of that trough, big move to the upside, taking us to another peak where we break through resistance. We stay above it briefly, break back down shortly thereafter, with the peak or just probably around 10:30. Break back, and then we break back down shortly thereafter. Magus card, cross-reading congruency there. Likely that decline turns into another move to the upside. Looks like it's more erratic behavior there. So there's likely a trade opportunity in there. Hard to say, but there's a notable move to the upside. We'll look at that in real time. We have three pokes through the same trend line, followed by a sharp drop off of that third poke taking place between 12 and, let's say, 1:30. Possible we have a higher price level around 1. But that's a little hard to say. It might be that we have the highest price level around 12, either that 12 or 1 o'clock. We create a peak, and there's a sharp drop off of that peak there at highs between 1 and 2. Decline into a trough between 2 and 3. And that decline offers opportunity to open up a long position, which you would close out of at a brief peak that's easily missed here in the last hour, or more likely in the following day of the 18th, and we'll look at that in more detail when we get into the reading for the 18th. Most likely lowest low for the day here around the first half hour around the open. But again, guys, make sure that you're not trading this information without the guidance of our Discord trade alerts and trading view chart links. This is how you do it. This is how you get that access. You go to our website, Tarot for Traders, hover over Order Now, click on Subscriptions. Early access gets you access to the earliest access you can get to any of our public posts on Discord. You can see there's a channel here for early access videos. The March Amazon public version came out on the 27th of February, probably came out right before March started on public. It gets you access to the live stream questions. So every live stream, the next available live stream, I answer the questions that are posted here. Gets you the SPY Discord trade alerts, which are mostly day trades, but we also do swing trades. And it gets you access to the the chat channel where you can ask questions all you want, as well as SPY videos here before anywhere else. All of that is part of the early access subscription. Here's an example of the type of live Discord trading view chart drawings that we have for you, and we actually draw in example instructions of what to do. Close long here. That was perfect timing. I had a lowest low. Thus a lowest low for the day here was a little bit early, but even so, if you entered into a long there, you could have closed it there. If you waited, you could have entered into a long here a little bit late and still closed out a long here for a profit. That was my worst day trade for the week, just to be clear. Look at these. I mean, bam, right? So that's all stuff that you get. It's vastly underpriced at $100 a month or $1,000 for a one-time fee for the year. But I want to just let everybody know this is going away. Possibly by the time you watch this video, this will be almost doubled, if not doubled. So if you're lucky enough to get it at this price, you'll have that price for the lifetime of your subscription. So I would not waste time. Go check it out. And much love and appreciation, everybody supporting the channel with the subscription. Blessings to all my angel investors. I'll see you guys on the next one.